Hi, today I'm introducing you to a home that is equipped with Eltako products. I hope you enjoy watching. Arriving at the house, you can see a tablet installed in our in-wall to my left. This tablet controls the entire house via the GFA5 app and two MiniSafe 2. There is also another tablet installed in the in-wall, and let's take a look at that. Here you will find the second tablet just mentioned, which is also installed in the in-wall, where you can also control the entire house. Of course, it can also happen that something is forgotten in installations. Here too, Eltako offers the ideal retrofit option with our wireless push buttons. And now let's take a look at the beautiful Eltako blue in the distribution board. Once in the distribution board room, you can see our Series 14 here. The 14 series was chosen because it can be controlled both via wired control inputs and via radio. Here you can see one of two MiniSafe 2, which takes over the home automation via the GFA5 app. And now let's go back upstairs. Of course, we've now arrived at the sub-distributor, where the 14 series has been connected via the bus coupler and then connected and locked. Oh, what do I see here? The second MiniSafe 2, which also controls the main building and the outbuildings, via the multi-controller control system using the GFA5 app. And now let's take a look at the weather data analysis. Our multi-sensor is often found at lofty heights. This transmits the weather data to our controller via a gateway. Using the GFA5 app, for example, you can create a task to operate your roller shutters at a certain level of brightness. That's it for the introduction. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment or a like. See you next time. Ciao!